officials demolish illegal structure and signboards of illegal encroachers in border area. Good morning and warm welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I am Jirbon Kilingpi with the latest news for this morning. And now the news in detail. At a time when the entire hill districts of Karbi Anglong, along with the entire state of Assam, are preoccupied with its politics and election, illegal encroachers from neighboring state of Nagaland continued with their illegal activities of encroaching into the Karbi Anglong district area and surprisingly managed to construct huts, clear forests and leveling land using excavator. On Wednesday, a joint team of forest personnel belonging to Lahorijan Account Beat and Dilai Sub-Beat demolished illegal structure and signboards erected by the illegal encroachers from Nagaland in Hojongpur, located in Hatoka area, falling under the Nahor Langsu DCRF under Lahorijan Beat office. The signboard which was brought down showed that 90 bighas of the land is under active encroachment.
Non nili Ladakh Karjab lake Hatoka Havar Ramsarong Pusipu Ladakh Lasi Halapu camera person habu paklang hanchuni rila Halapu hala bangso aram langnam lu pulte halake Hatoka Havar lo lapenge lapu aku paklai hanchuni rila lapu bangke labangke Hajongpur Nahorjan Ahavar lo lasi langnam lu pulte Ladakh pini lake DCRF along le forest along le lo pondame nitum da Karbi Anglong Live pen nangkomri hun nang theklong bangke pini Ladakh land encroachment bang pini nitum bang pen nang theklong lo athege Ladakh Hajongpur Havar pusi Ladakh Hajongpur la pen Horjan Havar polo la pen Ladakh kopilo this side for missionary field 90 bighas along le alang tum Ladakh ketartan si nang theklong lo lapen ke aku lapunat langdam lu pulang te la camera person ma paklai ma chuni ro la ha lapu khala hai bangke la bangke Ladakh dak te bokhet atheke Nagaland naga akhei atum si Ladakh nang panlu pusigipu.
The forest officials which carried out demolition were led by Forester 1, Longbir Ingti and Mongosing Ingti and staff including Moghutnath Phonglosa, Gate Chowkidar. While speaking to local media, the forest officials said that the plot where structure was constructed belongs to the DCRF and any activities carried out at this site is completely illegal. The forest officials further told media that the matter would be immediately reported to the higher authority. Meanwhile, local people of Hatoka Sartheteron village said that unidentified people from the neighboring state started clearing forests in the area belonging to the DCRF and activities more than 2 weeks back.
Abang so ni tum dak local pen achini du na bangke hajira si ke pi la so ke pan ke naga tum si poisa pi pola se pan se thek don la hopta rini ha prang si la bang so long le pan lo la pen non la dak Hatoka thik abor dalong masi hem ihum thelong lo tar pang thek do missionary field posi pula si chini dun la ana bang chini des ta mini tum Hatoka pen la so arjulong se pini media tum pen alang tum na homri honi tum dai thetin na thanun pachini bang la lo area bangke Hatoka area la hemikim long bangke area long lesi puri lo supose nili tumi thethini pa chini duing gela lo chini detaili alam bangke ni tuma chini de men sinang kim lo masin tum da chini ne de lo sipini media tum nang karju bangke ni de thanun ji gela lo lan lapu bang ta Hajongpur area posiplo lage pantang ta sitame la Hajongpur area sitame ke claim bangke nagas tum se claim la lo la pen lapu bangke ni tum chini la ana bangke ni tum area si aprang man ta do aprang ke halasi Gariali si hala siwan la solong lagi pur hoda bang matek donde dalo abosi la solong le bang pur dalo kim abang pu bang chini donde stame da khat to ka long le long selang le tum hem nang chi kim no la pen tar pan thek bilo
Asala lapu ram nang ke pan unhut lapum mena jongjung naga tum dan kibang bang lason thek long
ene ke Ladakh si kidodo la so theng piarum long Hatoka tinali sub center ke han lo jamuna rong aprang man dala si chepang thek lo ni litum Ladakh si latum bang po gari ka do pen bang po la pen dak tiffin ka do wenang thononji dak ka miklema tum phan la son hot pen thek don lo
hajara kon an bang kon phansi lo
hajara anisi bang proxy bang nerkep ba hot pen bang kri ni lan anda do.
It may be mentioned that several instances of encroachment into Karbi Anglong district by neighboring state have been carried undetected by forest and border police. And the latest development in the area have created a sense of helplessness among the people and raised a big question mark on the state government and the role of Carbí Anglong Autonomous Council. Vijay Rongpi's report from Dilai for Carbí Anglong Live. Along with other parts of the country and the rest of the world, the District Health Society, NTEP, Carbí Anglong on Wednesday organized a small program to observe World Tuberculosis Day. The event was held at the office of A&M Training Center, Dipu. The program was conducted under the initiative of the National Tuberculosis Elimination Program with the theme "The Clock is Ticking" to reach TB elimination by 2025. Among the guests present were DTO Ganesh Deori, Joint Director of Health Service Dr. Kareng Rongpipi, HOD Medicine DMCH Dr. Deepak Chaudhuri, Register of Medicine DMCH Dr. Dharam Singh Timung, SR M and HO Blood Bank DMCH Dr. Samsing Singar, CM and HO Dipu Dr. Dimbeswar Bharali, and TB champion Saraf Coach. While speaking in the meeting, Dr. Samsing Singar said that the role of ANMs and ASHA workers have to play very crucial roles in reaching out to the patients in different corners of the district. He also said that society must move hand in hand along with the health workers in the fight against TB. It may be mentioned that TB had claimed millions of lives until its remedy were. However, if a patient gets treatment in time, the disease can be cured. The sensitization meeting of doctors, staff, and TB champions was conducted during the celebration of World TB Day 2021. Bikram Cross report from Dipu for Carbí Anglong Live.
Nangletum hiti ka helopen kedam ningka saksak doma. Doposita matha ikri humre ignon nangletum adung het kedo Pangcho Enterprise.
Nangletum ladak longekji lake electronic goods, gift item, food item, cosmetic, water filter, sport and school item. Lasi humri non MS Pangcho Enterprises, Jirsong Asong Road, Rongkhela, Dipu. Coming to the news from politics and elections, the Bharatiya Janata Party on Wednesday held back-to-back campaign meetings in Taraaji and Borlangso, one of the remotest villages of East Carbí Anglong district. Carbí Anglong BJP star campaigner, Carbí Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang, MP Horan Singh Bey and EM Lun Singh Teron met the people of the area to seek votes of its party candidate, Dr. Numal Momin for Bokajang LAC on April 1. Taraaji area inside Nilip MAC constituency is one of the most backward area of the Hill district, and the absence of roads and other infrastructure are the biggest problems for the people of the area. The visit of Carbí Anglong Autonomous Council CM, MP and EM to the area on Wednesday is the first meeting for the BJP which was made it possible through helicopter. The election meeting at the village was chaired by Nilip BLCC Chairman Winson Ronghang and the Carbí Anglong Autonomous Council Chief Tuliram Ronghang, MP Horan Singh Bey and EM Lun Singh Teron were given a warm welcome. While addressing the local villagers of the area, MP Horan Singh Bey said the tremendous developmental work carried out by the BJP party through the Carbí Anglong Autonomous Council led by CM Tuliram Ronghang is visible before everyone and has more than 3 years to complete its full term. He urged upon the local people for their support by casting their votes in favor of Dr. Numal Momin in order to carry out more developmental works and reach out to more people and villages. Carbí Anglong Autonomous Council Chief Tuliram Ronghang, during his address at the meeting, claimed that roads for the people of interior areas are nearing its completion and other schemes like open stage, community hall and others would be constructed for the people of Taraaji. During the meeting, a total of 60 persons from rival parties marched with the BJP and expressed their support to the ruling party. The second campaign meeting of the BJP was held at 2 p.m. in Borlangso, during which BJP candidate Dr. Numal Momin, Nilip MAC Pobitro Rongpi, BJYM, Nilip BJP Mandal Committee President, General Secretary and several members were also present to seek votes of the people. More than 800 people attended the meeting, which was held to ensure victory for the BJP with massive margin.
Abang pulo ko si Tarapong Rarapan, Dr. Nito Haida Tabuso na nga panang konang agenso sa Gima. Tekdu do na to. Lapan rem po. Tek lolo. Ako to panda apanar mo. Deta bang lo. tiket tiga kamat. Ala akor te akor yang nangsa aning ke aning hantu beton kesulang lah tiga lah. Ini terdapat tadi. Nasi ini karbang lah lalu kacang pulau ni cara tomra arti tinggal langdong tu.
Samson Intis report from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live.
Kardong, jadi kacing hon sungsi so karbi ke video arat keduan. Jadi tum karbi kuru sarcing mamai ke sie hinten non ke bangji teripu ni paling koida nerke parni hidung amai aron bari mafan padu ponji pusi jadi tum arni hot ponik lo asi keduan kacing hon jirpo pi purun kacing lok don mekara doan kuru kulak tong ria sa long pasar doan tabang suarni mijung ahabar nongki kamsa arong mate labang so mijung arut along adak ni tum ke kesing long kiri habaramai rat amai pila pen ka ke video amai di ponji langsuar ni sat kong alam ben si chetan simung ponji katu kabeta nang chetong nuri ko pusi nai tum katu kabe phan ni ri kong chun bang hinten nang chop haponi lo pardon.
In a news from the opposition camp, APHLC president and the candidate for the upcoming elections from APHLC constituency, Jones Ingti Qatar, had on Wednesday reached out to the people of Uttar Phonglokpet and conducted campaign meeting. Here is a report. Aiming for victory in the election, the APHLC candidate is intensifying his campaign meetings across APHLC. The meeting on Wednesday was held at Uttar Phonglokpet playground under Langpher MEC constituency. More than 200 people from the area took part in a meeting to welcome the candidate. Addressing the people, J.I. Qatar said that people must vote for APHLC in order to secure the 6th scheduled rights of the indigenous people of the district. He said that under the hands of the National Party, the rights of indigenous people are not safe. He assured that if voted to power, he will pressurize the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to make a separate electoral roll for Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council elections and also see that no non-tribal person gets opportunity to contest in the Autonomous Council elections.
Meeting ke la election ahut pilitum inglong arat atum phan ke rai atum phan si pape hai nangji la salam lo athema sik schedule arlo ke bang atum ke dak thang da jakong kache longji aphan aron avi vote ke piji ta aron avi council along ke lapen kang vai ta la tum ajakong avi la posi la APHLC aphan si ingwai vete ilitum det ke autonomous state along un edeji aprang da autonomous state APHLC tum wan lo amat congress tum war phit lo lapen APHLC tum non aron silam nangji pulo sikidul ang deng pihini ang deng so trokpen troksiating sita non BJP tum lata selam thu thedet lo athema latum ke hala ke chi tum a vote pensi ke haipo karbi tum phan kadomon ji po phan si latum hala ke chi tum phan plung hai hede ba a vote piri pu hai hede pujo lapen la hello alam bangke lapen non ajaha tum thaji mene BJP Congress ta candidate ke karbi sai se kul hai di zadane tum ka chini ke la ke chi tum an ke BJP pen Congress fansi pilap ji la ke non ilitum inglong as akhe tum si ilitum APHLC phan ke pichor ji.
While speaking to local media on the recent meeting of its spokesperson, Angtong Intikatar with former MLA and BJP leader Dr. Mansing Rompi, the APHLC president said that visit was made out of courtesy to a veteran leader. He urged people not to misinterpret or make an issue out of the courtesy meeting.
Social media launch at Hangplu, APHLC la lamjai sar pul hai, Angtong Intikatar la penhola watar lang so candidate hala ex MLA ala wathar lang solong MLA long che tong nam pula bang so wathar lam na le pisini
la bangke isi neliga chinia ting ke yang raji tumpu courtesy call pahadi courtesy call alang lita ta ke do bang lo prangta MLA lo la si non ke alang li ke Congress dun hoi BJP dun hoi mat putakali non ar dep khai lo yo lama si aning pang sam dam hisab se la tum ke dam pusi neli arjulo.
Velson Terang's report from Wolongkomaji for Karbi Anglong Live. Now those were the top stories for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and have a great day.